me in making him into a purse for Renfest.
Now I need to figure out how to structure this little guy. I'm thinking the foam for his body, this for the bottom. I'm also going to sew on little handles to him. He's going to have a shoulder strap, but I think being able to carry him with a handle is also going to be really cool. Whenever you're starting a new sewing project, you need to be aware that you need to trust the process because this will be a purse. I just have to do it. Okay, we have him opened up and I'm just going to take out and save the stuffing. Okay, I took his unstuffed body and I made a pattern, a very rough pattern for the foam. I have cut out the foam, all the patterned pieces, and we're going to sew it together. Just kidding. Here is the bottom bit that I am currently taking the seam allowance on because when you sew this in, the foam wants to be sewn in, not this. Okay, I forgot to pick a lining, and these are my waterproof canvases. These are the only colors I have. My daughter picked this one, so this is what it's gonna be. Okay, now I'm going around and cutting the seam allowance off. So this is gonna get attached to this, but I still have to put the feet because this is the bottom. Okay, these are the two zippers I'm picking between. I'll probably ask my daughter because I can't decide. And this is the only zipper pull that I have, so he's going to have this zipper pull. Okay, this is what the bottom looks like right now. I am just going to figure out where I'm going to put the feet, and then I'm going to screw them on. Okay, I have 2 feet on. I still have a couple to go, and I'm going to make sure that that's the best spot for them before I put them on. Now I have to take all the foam and make it skinnier on the sides. I have the foam all pinned on, ready to sew. This is what the inside looks like. The feet are on. You can't really see it, but the feet are on. Once this is on, I can put the zipper, but I have to put the lining in the inside first. I haven't done that because I have to cut it still. Okay, no one's probably watching anymore, but this is what he looks like with the foam in him. I didn't draft it right, so I just had to add some extra foam, but this is where the zipper is going to be. The tail came looking funky like this, and I can't fix it, so I just restuffed his tail with some, I don't know, it is what it is. But now I just need to put in the lining and do the zipper. Oh, and the handle. I'm going to put the strap connectors here on the sides of the zipper. This is part 3 of me making my Squishmallow purse. Okay, I have the zipper and zipper pull tacked down, ready to be sewn. This is the zipper that my daughter picked. Once I sew this on, I am going to put on the lining. I am working on getting the lining going, and I'm making sure not to sew all of the bottom down so I can turn it inside out. Okay, he's basically done, and I kind of like his little tail now. It sticks up and it's really cute. The tabs are on the side so I can wear him on my shoulder. I just need to sprucing up the lining still and sew where I turned him right side out. It just now hit me that I forgot to put the handle. That's okay because I still haven't finished the lining inside. I have the strap in place and I'm using a saddle stitch to attach it. Both handles are on and now I just need to sew the lining and I'm done with him. Okay, this is what the inside looks like. I sewed down the bit where we turned it right side out. Here's him with the handle. Here he is with the strap. Oh my god, he's so cute. And there's his tail. Oh, that's what the feet look like. He is so cute. Oh, I got a gold strap for him. He's so stinking cute. Oh my god, he's so cute. I love how he turned out. I kept the Squishmallow tag on. He is so cute. I love it.